Alright, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to disassemble a Mitsubishi Eclipse 2nd gen side mirror. I'm doing just a quick voiceover. It's a little too echoey in the paint room, but it's really quite simple. It's literally just 3 screws. I ended up actually having 3 Torx screws holding this one in. But first off, you're going to come to the edge on the outside of the side mirror, and you're just going to gently and slowly pry. It will let go, and if you do it just gently, you won't break the 20-year-old plastic that's probably holding on. And yes, do not lose the metal clip. You lose the metal clip, it will not hold on, as my driver's side has taught me, and it will just shake everywhere. So we will be looking for one of those here pretty soon. And what holds in the side mirror, just real quick, we got 3 screws underneath this adhesive foam. My driver's side was Phillips head, so I don't know if that one had been worked on before, but this one is Torx screws that I will find out very soon. But you'll have 3, and then you'll have 3 nuts that actually hold the mirror to the car, including a connector that you will have to disconnect. But hidden behind, I usually try to pull up off top, try to use a hairdryer or maybe just a heat gun, try to maybe loosen that old plastic. But you'll find one here, then you'll find one at the bottom right corner, and here's when I figure out that these are not Phillips head screws. So back to the middle right. This one fit a T20 Torx bit screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, bottom right, and then there will be one on the back left, right before the back corner. Then from there, you're just gonna kind of push on the middle. I'm not sure what to call it, but these are electronic mirrors. But it does fit through just right. And if you can see enough, it literally only fits through one way, and you'll quickly figure out which way that is. And you kind of have to pry and push just a little to get the edge to fit through. And there you have it. Now you have a open-ended side mirror to prep and paint. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. This was just a quick one. Peace.